All right, guys, I want to quickly walk you through this Google slide that you're going to be using actually the next 2 weeks for writing as you're researching that Explorer that you chose from the list. So, by now, again, you should have looked at that list of Explorers. You should have filled out the Google form to let either myself or Mrs. Beard know which Explorer you have chosen to research. Okay. The first slide goes over RADCAB. I know Mrs. Fisher talks about RADCAB a lot. It is just looking for, before you choose a website to use, you need to make sure that that website is a credible one. So you need to think about the relevance, the appropriateness. Does it have enough details? Is it current, up to date? Is the author an expert? And is there a bias? Okay, the next slide shows you which online resources you can use to do your research. I want you to start with just using these. If you find that you're not getting enough information from these resources, please let your writing teacher know, and we can guide you in the direction to go to next for some other resources that you may be able to use. But check out all of these first. You need to use the same 3 resources for all of your notes. So just 3 of these. You're not using any more than that. You want to find the 3 websites that give you a lot of information about your Explorer and make you able to fill in all of the note cards, which we're going to take a look at here in a second. The links that have the stars behind them, that means when we get to the citation part that you need to use easybib.com to make that citation. The website does not do it for you. PebbleGo, Ducksters, and WorldBook do give you the citations, so you do not need to use EasyBib there. But all of these are active links. You just click on it, and it takes you to that website for you to find some information about your Explorer. All right, so what you're going to be doing, there are a variety of different topics that you're going to be looking at for your Explorer. You're going to be looking at Oh Baby, Claim to Fame, Pay the Way. You're going to be creating a timeline. You're going to find their path to success, Rest in Peace, if it applies to your Explorer, and the impact that they've made on today's world. Each of those has 3 note cards. All 3 note cards must be filled in. Even if you find all of the information from your first resource, having it written down again just verifies that the information is correct. So all 3 note cards do need to be filled in. Remember, you need to cite before you write. That means that you need to create a citation before you start taking notes. And then to help you with citations, there are videos on the next few slides that I would like you to watch, and they will walk you through the steps of how to create a citation. So this video here shows you how to create the citations from PebbleGo. If you're using that resource, you want to watch that video. If you are using WorldBook Online, you want to watch this video. It will show you how to create your citation from WorldBook. If you are using Ducksters, this video will show you how to create a citation from Ducksters, so you'll want to watch that video if you're using that site. And then if you're using one of the other ones that has a star behind it that doesn't give you the citation, these 2 videos show you how to use easybib.com. The video went a little long. That's why there's 2 videos. Watch video 1 first, and then finish up with video 2, and it will show you for all of those other sites how to create your citation. Okay, the next slide is where you're actually going to put in your citations. And mine is there as an example for you for Christopher Columbus from biography.com. That's what it will look like once you copy and paste your citation in there. On this slide is the link to get to easybib.com. You just click on that if you need to create your citations there. You will need a total of 3 citations. Okay. Your first set of note cards is going to be, they're all going to be red. And